Hi guys, myself Rakshita from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are discussing about the subject traffic engineering and the topic is effect of model integration on traffic conditions in India. The main important topics are model integration, integrated planning of infrastructure, requirements or objectives of model integration. Let us see what is model integration. Modal integration or integrated transport system can be defined as the integration of some or all the different public transport models into the public transport system in such a way that these modes support and complement each other, that they operate as a coordinated public transport system while providing an effective, efficient, and affordable service to the users. The following should be achieved to implement modal integrations. Some of the points are to be very important to implement model integrations. They are an integrated network, integrated schedules, proper transport facilities, a common ticketing and fare system. Some of the multimodal integration of transport systems are city bus, auto rickshaw, city water bus, feeder bus, city taxi, walkway, and cycling tracks. Some are interconnected with personal life. Like a person is traveling from home to metro and metro to office to work in or the main considerable applications are level of cycling, urban layout or topography, population, financial resources, time and human resources. Let us know what is about level of cycling. Multimodal integration may be implemented by cities with all level of cycling. Cycling can be encouraged as the first or last mile solution on journeys, while combined with public transport, all passengers transport users stand to benefit from most of the adaptations required, and so this is measure is suitable for implementation at any stage of cycling mode share. Urban layout and topography. Multimodal integration is likely to be beneficial in cities where citizens typically undertake longer journeys to reach their destination, or where the hilly terrain discourages residents and commuters from cycling from their entire journey. Let us know what is about population. Multimodal integration can increase the accessibility of public transport nodes and urban destinations for all population groups, including the elderly, commuters, students, children, and tourists. Let us know what is about financial resources. Financial resources play a very important role in multimodal integration. The financial cost of multimodal integration depends on the extent of changes required, which can include the provision of bicycle parking, storage for bicycle on public transport vehicles, single ticket solution, and the provision of information on integrating cycling with public transport journeys. Time and human resources. It will be necessary to trial any form of new ticketing system, and the installation of new ticketing machines may be required, increasing the cost of this measure. Alternatively, standardizing ticket for public transport may lead to long-term economics for sale. Let us know what is about integrated planning of infrastructure. Towns and country planning in a science that deals with the study of urban country system, covering the interacting activities using adapted spaces linked by communication through channels. Transport planning is an important part of overall town and country planning since it deals with the transport network, which is an important channel of communications. Through motor vehicles has revolutionized our life and brought comfort, pleasure, convenience. They have created problems of congestion, lack of safety, and degeneration of the environment. To understand the nature of these problems and formulate proposals for the safe and efficient movement of goods and people from one place to another. Urban infrastructure is invariably linked with productivity of urban economy and macroeconomic development. Integrated urban infrastructure and service development planning is a tool required to complement the present sectorial infrastructure planning practices mainly in reducing the apparent fragmentation of infrastructure and service provision. According to the National Urban Development Policy developed by the Council of Ministers in 2005, urban infrastructure delivery should be integrated and developed as one of the more components of city development plans. In addition, the policy indicates that the participation and integration of activities of different sectors like authorities, government development agencies, and the private sector is vital for plan implementation. In general, the delivery and development of urban infrastructure should aim at bringing balanced urban development through prioritization and phase by phase development by taking into consideration urban hierarchy and the feasibility of urban infrastructure development. The last topic is the requirement or objectives of modal integration. Higher priority to public transport with sufficient facilities and services. Main focus on the movement of people and not on the modes and integration of transport and land use, cooperation among and support of different governmental levels and various modes, availability of funds through public-private partnership from the government, and clarity of on the policy of government, formalization and regulation of public transport, proper public transport planning and vision. The main objectives of multimodal transport hub are metro rail, state transport, cycles, rickshaws and electric rickshaws, walkways, entertainment hub and city taxis. Thank you.